Upstairs sitting looking at this PTU. And that is definitely the new style. It's got these connectors. So it wasn't relocated. It was still over here. You can see it's been rubbing. So I'm definitely gonna have to address that. What is all this? Look, that's bad. It's just all bad. You can really see how corroded this plug is. The boot was actually torn on this particular plug. This one didn't have any corrosion on it, but this one's terrible. And I mean, you can just imagine why this car is not running properly. I think this is a good start to find out why this car is misfiring and not tearing all this plenum off and everything like that right now. So I went ahead and I got a different style. So I'm just gonna go with a non-insulated connector and put heat shrink tubing over that. That's one done. And definitely like how that looks much better. I'm gonna go through these one by one as I did before. All right, so I did end up mounting my PTU down here on the front frame rail. And I just went through and coated everything with that plastic tubing. And yeah, so this car won't be driven in the rain, the snow, the mud. If you do that, I would recommend maybe mounting that back up inside the engine bay. But for me, this is what's gonna work for me. So rewired and reinstalled my PTU down there. And that was very important. Very corroded wires. Everything was just terrible. So everything does seem to be running much smoother. Does seem to be sounding much better. And I mean, that's all you can ask for from this NA. So I think this is going to be fun this summer. So that takes care of today's video. Make sure to follow along. I still got a bit of work to do to this. I'm going to buff this side of the car. Maybe put some sound deadening in the door. And probably be about another month before we get some heat back in the roads out there. Still cold here, so. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.